the store and he bought his own book. All right. I know that as Spark Scholars, you'll be able to show keep going too, especially since it's one of our values. So you're going to have to pretend this morning that you're like a little bit like the little wolf. But instead of being on a farm, you're going to be in the Howard classroom. So I'm going to have two scholars who've been Zion, who've been in slant the whole time like Pinar, and like looking straight back like Dante, to pass these out for us. Let me explain the directions before we go back to our desk. On this paper, the directions, even though you're at Miss Lee's table, you need to listen.
Okay.
The directions say choose one of the following situations. Why is it hard for you to keep going in this situation? Why is it hard for you to keep going in this situation? And how can you keep going? Now, Miss Ringer gave us 5 examples of times where she's seen that it's really hard for scholars to keep going in 2nd grade. The first one, thank you, Destiny, for your eyes. You're still tracking. I need a few more in the orange row so you know what to do. Thank you, Ty, for continuing to track in your own rug spot silently. The first, Zion, it's a check now. Your voice is off. The first situation, you get bored on the rug. Silent thumbs up, thumbs down. Does this happen to you sometimes? Silent thumbs up, thumbs down. Courtney's showing it to me silently. Number 2, you get an answer wrong after working so hard. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Has this happened to you? Dante's giving me a silent thumbs up. Kina's giving me a silent thumbs down. You're feeling sleepy? Now, I know this happens sometimes. I should see a few thumbs up, even some double thumbs up. I love how silent we are so far. Think about how you can show, it's a check, Anaya. Your voice is off. Zion, it's a check for you as well. Our voices are still off, like Naomi and Hamid, like Ty and Kayla. You're feeling sad. Maybe you didn't have a good morning. That's the 4th situation. Or you're upset because a teammate said something to hurt your feelings. So, think about which one. Zion, return to your desk. Our team on the rug is silent. You are not. Return to your desk. It's going to be your 3rd check, which you know is a color change. Move to your desk. Friends, you're going to choose one of these situations and write 3 sentences. How many sentences?
3 sentences.
About why it's hard to keep going and what you can do. Now let's do one together so we kind of get some ideas. If you're bored on the rug, thank you, Najee, for staying so silent. Thank you, Torian, for keeping your voice off. And Dante for staying in slant with him. If you get bored on the rug, why is it hard to keep going? Silent hand. Why is it hard to keep going when you're bored on the rug? Dante?
If I have to bring you to the office, you're calling your mother from the office. No, I will call her and you'll listen. That's fine.
And you would get a check. So what's one way you can make sure you're paying attention on the rug even if you are bored? What's one way to show keep going? I love the attention I still have from Ty and Courtney. They'll probably help me pass out papers. I love your participation, Dante. Gerald, what's one thing you can do if you're bored on the rug to keep going?
What's one thing you can do is just wait silently.
You can wait silently. Can Miss Young tell you a secret? When she was in class sometimes and she got bored, I used to fold my hands and